Welcome back children. I hope you all doing well. In previous video, we have learned using pen tool part 2. I hope you all understood the lesson. Now, in this video, we will study about using shapes in pen tool. Here, you will learn about working with shapes, curve tool, polygon tool, rounded rectangle tool. How to fill colors in shapes. More tools in paint. Select, magnifier, undo and redo. Students, you have learned about different pen tools and shapes in your earlier classes. Let us learn about some more shapes in paint. Curve tool. The curve tool is used to draw curves. Follow these steps to draw a curve. Number 1. Click on the curve tool in the shapes group of the Home tab. Number 2. Move the mouse pointer to the drawing area. Notice that the mouse pointer changes to a cross sign. Number 3. Left click and drag the mouse to draw a line. Number 4. Click where you want the arc of the curve to be and then drag to adjust the curve. Choose the desired color of the curve from the colors palette in the Home tab. Polygon tool. The polygon tool is used to draw polygons. Polygons are shapes with 3 or more sides. Using this tool, you can only draw one side of the polygon at a time. Follow these steps to draw a polygon. Number 1. Click on the polygon tool in the shapes group of the Home tab. Number 2. Move the mouse pointer to the drawing area. The mouse pointer changes to a cross sign. Number 3. Select the desired line color from the colors palette. The default color is black. Number 4. Click where you want to start the polygon. Left click and drag the mouse to form the first side of the polygon. To draw smooth lines, press down and hold the Shift key while dragging the mouse button. Number 5. Start drawing from beside the point where you finish drawing the previous side. Number 6. Repeat the above step for the rest of the sides except the last side. Number 7. To draw the last side, just double click the left mouse button. Rounded rectangle tool. The rounded rectangle tool is used to draw rectangles with rounded corners. Follow these steps to draw a rectangle with rounded corners. Number 1. Click on the rounded rectangle tool in the shapes group of the Home tab. Number 2. Select the line color from the color palette. Number 3. Move the mouse pointer to the drawing area. The mouse pointer changes to a cross sign. Number 4. Left click and drag the mouse to draw the rounded rectangle of desired size. The rectangle being drawn is seen alongside the mouse pointer. How to fill color. You can color the shapes drawn in paint using the following options. Using the colors group. Next, fill with color tool. Next, color picker tool. However, to be able to color the pictures drawn in paint, you need to first understand the difference between closed and open figures. You also need to understand how to use options in the colors group effectively. Closed figure. Any figure that is closed from all sides without any gap is called as a closed figure. For example, a rectangle made using the rectangle tool in the shapes group is a closed figure. You can fill color in a closed figure as the color will not spill over onto the rest of the drawing area. Open figure. Any figure that is open from any side or has a gap is called as an open figure. If you draw a rectangle using the pencil tool in the tools group, there may be gaps between the different lines. If you try to fill color in an open figure, the entire drawing area gets colored. Using the colors group. What fun are pictures without colors? To color the pictures you drawn in paint, use the colors given in the colors group. The edit colors option in the colors group opens a palette of colors where you can make a new color from the available options. New colors chosen or created using the edit colors option are added to the default 20 colors palette. In the colors group, you will notice two colors boxes, color number 1 and color number 2. Color 1 indicates the current color, that is the foreground color, and color number 2 is the background color. Let us learn how to use the color boxes. Color number 1. To use the foreground color, left click on it and select a color from the colors group. This color is useful while using pencil, brushes, text, lines and borders of shapes. Color 2. To use the background color, left click on it and select a color from the colors palette. This color is used with eraser and for shape fills. After selecting color 1 and color 2, you can draw colored images. To do so, follow the steps given below. Number 1. Click on color 1 and select a color of your choice from the colors palette, say red. Number 2. Click on color 2 and select another color from the color palette, say yellow. Number 3. Select any closed shape from the shapes group. Number 4. Bring the pointer to the drawing area. Number 5. Click and drag the mouse to draw the outline of the shape with the foreground color and fill the shape with the background color. You can select a different medium for shape, outline or shape fill by using the outline and fill options in the shapes group respectively. Fill with color tool. The fill with color tool is used for filling colors in a closed figure. Follow these steps to fill color in a closed figure. Number 1. Draw two close figure, say rounded rectangles. Number 2. Click on the Fill with Color tool. Number 3. Click on color 1 and select a color from the color palette. This is your foreground color. Click color 2 and select a color from the colors palette. This is your background color. Number 4. Move the mouse pointer to the drawing area. Number 5. Click or right click on the rectangles to fill it with foreground or background color respectively. Color Picker tool. The color picker tool helps us to pick a color from one part of the drawing and fill the same color in another part of the drawing. Number 1. Click on the color picker tool in the tools group of the home tab. Number 2. Click on the color in the picture which you want to pick. This color would be selected to fill in. Notice the color change in the color 1 box. Number 3. As soon as the color is selected, the color picker tool icon changes to fill with color tool icon. Number 4. Click on the desired area of the picture to fill it with the color picked. Brushes. The brushes tool is used to draw lines that have a different appearance and texture. It's like using different artistic brushes. By using various brushes, you can draw freeform and curved lines with different effects. More tools in Paint. The following are some more tools given in Paint. Select. You can copy or move a part of a picture using the Select tool in the Image group of the Home tab. There are two kinds of selections that can be done. Using rectangular selection. Number 1. Draw any shape, say hexagon. Take help of a Polygon tool. Number 2. Click on the Select tool. Notice that the mouse pointer changes to a cross sign. Number 3. Click and drag the mouse to select the rectangular area you want to move. A dotted rectangle now appears and the mouse pointer changes to a cross with 4 arrowheads. Number 4. Click and drag the selected portion of the hexagon to a new location. With this, we end with this chapter. Let's meet in the next video. Till then, thank you. Stay safe. Bye-bye.